Good day students, welcome to Kukureja classes. Today we will learn about the acid, base and salts. So now starting with, could you tell me why does lemon taste sour? Why does soap feel slippery? And why do we take antacid tablets when we have acidity? The answer to the first question, why does lemon taste sour? Because the sour taste of lemon is due to the presence of citric acid in it. And why does soap feel slippery? Because due to the presence of base sodium hydroxide in it. And why we take antacid? Because antacid contains magnesium hydroxide. We called it a milk of magnesia. When it reacts with the hydrochloric acid present in our stomach to make the salt, which so we can say it neutralizes acid, so which relieves us from the acidity. So when we have a given substance, how we determine that whether it's an acid, base or salt? For that we use indicators. Indicators are the dyes which changes color when added to acid or base. So we generally use the three types like litmus, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. The litmus is a natural indicator, and methyl orange and phenolphthalein are the synthetic indicators. Methyl, the acid change litmus paper blue to red, and basis changes the color of red litmus to blue. So now coming to the next, acid are the substances that gives us sour taste and produce hydrogen plus ions in the water. So we come to further indicators like that. We have a natural indicators as well. So before that, like methyl orange, which has a neutral color as orange, but in acid they show red color, changes to red, and yellow in the bases. The phenolphthalein, which is colorless, which has its neutral color, so when added in as acid it remains colorless, but when added to bases it changes to pink color. Now come to the natural indicators. So we already talked about the that litmus is a natural indicator which we obtain from lichen plant. There are other in like turmeric, you have a which is yellow in color, and which changes its color to red when mixed with or when added in base solution. Like that, we have red cabbage extract from the red cabbage leaves, which has a neutral color red, which remains red in the acid solution, but changes to pink. Changes its color in base solution. And third, there are colored petals of flowers of hydrangea, petunia and geranium. They also change color in acid and bases. So when the blue color of hydrangea petal changes to pink color when in the base solution. We come to the acids. Acids present in the plant materials and animals are called organic acid. These are weak acids and they are harmless, or they are not harmful in taking and eating and drinking them. So these are, because these are the weak acids, these are natural occurring acids like acetic acid, citric acid. So we call them as an organic acid. There are other acids which are obtained from the minerals of the earth. Those are called minerals acid, like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Those are very strong acid. They are very strong and they are very corrosive in nature. So very extra care is taken in handling them. So